Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your WazirX application. To log into WazirX app, first of all make sure to open up the WazirX application from your app drawer. You will then end up in this first login page where you need to select how you'd like to log in. You can continue logging in with your Google account, Apple account, or with your email. Choose any one option that you previously used while signing up for WazirX. Since I chose email, I'm gonna do the same here. Make sure that you selected the login tab and then enter your email address and password for your WazirX account. If you are having trouble remembering your password, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset instructions. After entering your credentials correct, tap on Login in order to log into your WazirX account using the WazirX mobile application. So that's how it's simply done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.